This is Oliver Slope with Blue Line Futures coming to you from the floor of the CME here in Chicago with your livestock roundup. And we have seen obviously a lot of pressure here this week in the cattle complex after last Friday evening's fire at that Tyson plant. Now, looking at some of the technical levels, a lot of them go out the window. So you got to take the technical picture with an extra grain of salt here in the coming weeks as we wait for this emotional, irrational trade to settle a little bit. Ultimately, I think there's going to be tremendous value in cattle. Looking at live cattle specifically, October need to get out above 1 to 101. This is the highs from Tuesday. If we can start to stabilize and achieve consecutive closes out above here, I wouldn't be surprised to see that invite buyers back into the market and start to repair the damage that was done earlier in the week. On the cash side of things, we've been coming in 105 to 106, sharply lower from last week, but within the range of expectations after that fire. On the feeder cattle side of things, a little bit different of a story. We're bearish. We've had clients looking for 120s before really this week. So we got that bearish reaction. We sold off significantly, traded at expanded limits for several days, including today. Made a good rally attempt today. Looking for October. If we can get up towards 138, I think this represents a heck of a selling opportunity and would be surprised to see a retest of the lows over time. But again, there's going to be a lot of volatility, so be prepared to manage risk appropriately there. On the lean hog side of things, lean hogs bumped up against technical resistance. We've been trading in, for the most part, a range 64 to 68 here over the past week to week and a half. We got up towards the top end of the range, could not get any significant momentum or invite new buyers into the market, so we reversed and sold off into the close. If we break and close below 64, I wouldn't be surprised to see a little bit of a whoosh lower here in the near term. So that's what we're looking at to wrap up the week. That's what you should be looking at too. This has been Oliver Slope with Blue Line Futures from the floor of the CME.